Hi, this is Thea, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your calendar using CrmOne. A calendar is a feature that allows users to manage and track various activities, appointments, and events related to their customer interactions. It helps to schedule and organize tasks, meetings, follow-ups, and other important activities within the CRM platform. Now, to start with, you need to go to the Sales, and then you need to choose Calendar from the drop-down. Now, after opening, you will see here your scheduled appointments, meetings, and other relevant information about your schedule. Now, you can filter your calendar by month, week, day, and by agenda. If you have specific filters, you can click this filter icon and you can filter it by calendar. So you will have calendars over here, and by users if you wanted to filter the calendar by users. Now, to create an appointment, you can just click here the Create Appointment button. Now you need to put here a few details about the appointment. So you need to associate this appointment to either a contact, an account, or by deal. So for example, you wanted to associate this appointment to a contact. Now we need to choose a contact, so we can click this and we will choose a specific contact that you wanted to associate this appointment. So let's say we will connect, or we will associate this appointment to this person. Now we need to also choose the calendar. So we only have one calendar active, so we will choose this calendar. And now the few details over here will be auto-populated, like the appointment and the time slot. So now we will need to put here the time zone. So let's say the time zone is in Europe. So let's click that. And then we also need to update here the time slot, and you need to also update here the title and the description if you want it. And now you can also add here guests to this appointment, and then the status, you need to update here the status if it's confirmed, canceled, showed, no showed, or pending. So let's say this appointment is confirmed, and now you will only need to click save. Now after saving, you will also have here filters at the left panel for my calendar, and you'll also have here quick filters for the data that you wanted to see on your calendar. And that's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day ahead.